Good morning, hope you're all doing fantastically. And I've just showered, so my hair's all a bit fluffing turned at the moment, but you know, I work it. After much deliberation, I think today we are going to be heading over to the local, whatever it's called, big fish tank place. Aquarium? Is that what it's called? It's called Blue Planet anyway, I don't actually know what... It's an aquarium, isn't it? That's what they're called? Aquariums? Pretty sure it is. Anyway, we're going to a place with lots of fish and sharks and things, so that should be pretty fun, hopefully. We spent a long time, oh, loud in here, isn't it? We spent a long time discussing where we're going to go, because it is like 1 degree outside. It's too cold to do anything outdoors, basically. Thought about heading up to the coast of Wales and just seeing some of the sort of these big castle-y places, but it's just too cold for that activity today. We got plans for tomorrow that are outdoors, so we're going to stick to that, and today we're going to do something indoors, which involves looking at fish. Just grabbing a secondary coffee so that I can then sit down and play a little bit of video games whilst Josie gets ready for the day. And PSA for people who've not tried Bob yet, if you don't like the taste of skimmed milk but like semi-skimmed, this is actually legit. It is skimmed milk. It is free of fat, apparently. And yes, it does actually taste pretty damn good too. So yeah, Bob it is. Get that Bob in your coffee. I'm feeling very awake today despite having a pretty poor night's sleep. I think maybe singing along to the Greatest Showman soundtrack in the shower is a good way to start your day. You live, Emma? What are you doing here? What's the deal? Hi? What's happening? Let me put my coffee down so I don't spill it everywhere. What's happening, Baba? What's going on? Eh? Hmm? It's just frozen. We'll be heading off shortly, but I just got time for 1 or 2 rounds of Fortnite of Battle Royale. See how we do on this. I'm terrible. I've never come close to winning, but maybe today's the day. Maybe more rounds than I thought. Yeah. Yep, as suspected, I got absolutely annihilated on Fortnite. I got 10th place, so I'll take that as a win from me, to be honest, but it is not a win. Anyway, Josie's now moving her car out the way once again, so that I can get my car out so we can go to the Blue Planet fish tank. Whoa, these big beasties. Hello.
I'm gonna make you sing later. We're so dubbing over you, it's insane.
I feel like I'm playing Animal Crossing. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, look at this guy. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. He's also tiny. Look at the size of him go to this cage or tank thing. Who's that Pokemon? Hello. I mean, that is legitimately a dinosaur, isn't it? I mean, look at it. If that was bigger, that would actually kill people.
Yeah.
Hey, little friend. Don't worry, you'll get there. You'll get there. He's moving along at him. Good. God, there's a lot of fish. Oh my God, look at this guy. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm the boss here. Hey, how you doing, my friend? What you doing here? Oh my God, how beautiful are those colours.
Literally just jumped over.
Amazing. Whoa, how freaking cool. It's like an avatar. Look at that guy. Look at these guys. What are these? Amazing.
Like one of those games.
Whack-a-mole.
Yeah.
We want to whack it though. Look at these. Hey guys, how's it going? What you doing? Not much, just poking. Oh. It's okay, you can come back out. Best animal ever. Oh, there we go. How cool is this? Apart from squeaky.
Oh gosh, look at him.
Can you see anything?
Look at that guy in the distance there, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Look at that guy. Looks really angry. Happy birthday, Jack. Oh god, here he goes.
Oh, that's a scary mouse. Is that a mouse? That's a mouse. See a shark in action. There's a baby right there.
The same, are you?
You're cute.
Oh look, they're all asleep. Can you see them, Henry?
It's like a robot fish. Wow. How freaking cool is this?
Oh look, you can see it's different, right? It must be up there, right?
Hello.
Hey little fishy. Have a good day. Whoa, here we go. That's a pretty toothy looking animal. Wow. Oh my god. Don't want to mess with him. Look at them. They're very snugly asleep. Oh, just completely face planted in the sand. Sleep well, my friends. It did. That's Blue Planet. What were your thoughts? Scary. What were you scared of? Wow, that sun's bright. Christ. Oh my god, it's so bright. I can't see anything.
Politics? I just need a sticker.
Well, I'm sure the store sells stickers.
I'm not just trying to collect stickers. I'm a grown man.
Cooking chicken in the grease. Cooking chicken. No, it's not for you. You can't have chicken. Peppers and mushrooms in the grease. Peppers and mushrooms in the grease. Peppers and mushrooms. Look at that colour. Oh, now it's looking saucy. Saucy sauce. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Who's ready for fajitas? Arriba! Or, you know, something else less offensive. Well, after a delicious home-cooked fajita meal, like I must say myself, the cat's in here, by the way. Keep finding her just curled up here by herself, just snoozing. And of course, I send a bit to end the vlog off and wake her up every night. After all that mash of clips from today, it's been a lot of sort of Snapchat-style clips all bundled together, so I've enjoyed it. I've had a good day. This is like the last, or tomorrow will be the last day of my holiday. I'm back in work Sunday morning. Tomorrow we're going to be heading to Chester to do some Pokemon catching because it's some sort of event going on, and Chester's great for Pokemon stuff because of all the gyms. It's a whole thing. I'll tell you tomorrow about it. But today we did aquarium, and now I'm a little bit drunk after I had too much to drink and good food and good company. It's been fun. I don't like vlogging when it's just me and one other person because it feels very sort of intrusive. In a group, I'm sure it'd be different, but with just me and one other, it's like a bit eh. So with that in mind, that is it for me for tonight. So I hope you've enjoyed. I will see you tomorrow at 7 PM for the next daily vlog. So please tune in for that and hit a like down below if you are enjoying. But that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all later.